extraction spans both land and sea. However, drilling operations utilizing traditional slip rings frequently encounter challenges such as concealed wear and a necessity for equipment disassembly to perform maintenance. Let us take a look at the advantages of JINPAT high current slip rings. The JINPAT LPA series slippers possess the following for most important characteristics. First, the extra large through holes support rapid on-site wiring. Second, it features high protection, impervious to corrosion from mud. Third, a transparent observation window enables monitoring without the need for disassembly. Finally, customers can install the cable wiring themselves. Ready to tackle extreme operating conditions? JINPAT LPA Series High Current slip rings make a powerful debut. High voltage, corrosive environments, high temperatures. No challenge is too great. Featuring a unique, transparent window design, the LPA series allows for instant visual inspection of wear status, enabling maintenance. With zero downtime, choose JINPAT and keep your heavy-duty equipment powered up and online, always. From offshore rigs to deep onshore wells, LPA is the stable core of high-value equipment. Thanks for watching. Contact us for professional solutions.